All right, Ansley, so repeat these words. We need your mirror. Top.
Top.
10.
10.
Tag.
Tag.
What sound do you hear like? Please watch your mouth while we do this activity. What do you feel working? How does your tongue make the air come out?
It pushes.
Pushes it. Where is your tongue? Okay, it's in your mouth, but where do you feel it on? Do you feel it anywhere in your mouth?
At the bottom.
Feel it at the bottom? So you want your tongue tapping right behind your front teeth. If it's not there, put it there. Okay, so I asked you, how does the tongue make the air come out? How does the tongue make the air come out?
It pushes.
Kind of taps it, right? Yeah. Does it just stay there behind your teeth, your tongue, or does it move?
It moves.
Yeah, it taps it when it makes this sound. So this sound is called a tongue tapper. Look where the tongue is. Right behind the top front teeth. Okay. Ansley is a stop or a continuous sound.
Stop.
It's a stop. Is it opened or blocked?
Blocked.
Blocked by what?
Our lips.
And not really our lips, sounds like.
Oh,
Our teeth and our
tongue.
Okay. So is it a vowel sound or a consonant sound?
Tongue.
It is a consonant sound. Okay. Christine, if you're good, you'll have your handwriting approach strokes already listed, and this will be a chance I'll go through them quickly with Ansley. Ansley, for the letter T, we have swing up, stop, push up over, curve under over, swing way up with left. For the letter T, which looks like this in regular print, we are going to add one of those approach strokes to it. Which one do you think we're going to add?
The first one.
We are going to add the first one. Do you remember what that one's called? Swing up, stop. But this one is a little bit larger, right? Swing up, stop, pull straight down, release, cross. Okay? So the name of this letter is T. Before we get to write it, hold on, not yet, please. Put the lid on your marker. We have a riddle to help us remember that the T says out. Okay. This is an article of furniture and has a smooth, flat top. We are sitting at one right now. Did you draw a picture of it?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. So, what did you draw a picture of?
A table.
A table. Okay. I am going to, I'm sorry, I have a little dog drama here. I'm going to have you practice the letter T. T is, you're going to name your letter before you write it. Are you ready?
Mm-hmm.
You may begin.
T.
You may even trace mine if you feel like you need to.
T. T.
All right, that is your fifth one. You may go ahead and erase. Okay, so you will do more of that for homework practice, but go ahead and erase those. I'm going to give you the name of the letter, and you give me the keyword and sound. T,
Table.
T,
Table.
T.
Table.
I am going to give you the sound, because it's regular for spelling. You give me the keyword name.
Table. T. Table. T. Table. T.
The name of this letter is, the keyword and sound are,
Table and
not ta. T. Okay. If I give you the sound t, you echo the sound. T. Name the letter that made that sound.
T.
And go ahead and write it one last time on the desktop. Now, this was an unvoiced tongue tapper. Keep that in mind as we go into your next new learning. Okay, go ahead and erase all you have. Repeat these words. Dip,
Dip.
dot,
Dot.
dug.
Dip.
What sound do you hear alike? Duh. Okay, look at your mouth as you make the sound duh. What do you feel working?
Dub.
Okay. How does your tongue make the air come out? Duh.
And presses against the
Top of the teeth. Does it just stay there behind your teeth, or does it tap out when it makes that sound?
It taps.
So this is again a tongue tapper. Okay, let's see if we find a difference here. Duh. Is it a stop or a continuant?
Duh. It's a continuum.
Duh is a continuant. Duh.
Duh.
Duh. Yeah, I guess if you stop, but then you'd be sticking out a U sound. If we were to say duh, 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 you put the lid on your marker. Duh, duh, duh.
Stop.
It's a stop. Is it opened or blocked? Look at your mouth if you don't know.
Dip. Block.
Blocked by your.
Teeth and tongue.
Is it a voiced or unvoiced sound? Duh.
Voiced.
Voice this time. Okay. So is it a vowel sound or a consonant sound?
Consonant.
It is a consonant sound. We just practiced the letter T. Now we are going to practice D. I'm just going to write the regular print right now. We'll go over that in just a sec, okay? And I'll have my arrow here. Okay, but before we do that, let's do our riddle. You may draw a picture of this as soon as you know what it is. This is a domestic animal. We have one in our house right now. Some different breeds are poodles, retrievers, and terriers.
Dog.
It is a dog. That is quite the dog. When writing the letter D, in cursive, which approach stroke do you think we'll use? We're going to use this one, curve under over. Curve under over, stop, trace back around, close, push straight up, pull straight down, release. That was great. Let me watch you one more time. D. You may begin.
D.
Trace line. Go here. So curve under over. Start right here. Curve under over, stop. Trace back around, close, push straight up, straight down, release. Now you got the feel of it. Name your letter and try it again. Try to close it off the first time. Do it again.
D.
And again.
D.
Let's get two more on there, Yancy.
D.
All right, you may go ahead and erase. You've practiced way more. Okay, so D's are something you know you need a little work on, right? Okay, I'm going to give you the name of the letter. You give me the keyword sound. D.
Dog.
D.
Dog.
D.
Dog.
I am going to give you the sound. It is regular for spelling. D. You're going to say dog D. D.
Dog.
D.
Dog.
D.
Dog.
The name of this letter is. The keyword and sound are.
Dog.
I'm going to give you the sound. D. Echo the sound.
D.
Name the letter.
D.
And write it. You've already erased all your copies. Sometimes, Christine, you'll need to put another copy on there. So then, this is where, Ansley, again, homework would be instant words. Let's turn in your book to page 7, please. Erase everything on your desktop. On page 7, you're going to notice at the top of the page, it tells you to name the letters and then name the sounds. So what I'd like you to do is you're going to go through naming the letters first. Go ahead. Name.
T, D, T, D, T.
Now give me sounds. Turn the page. Do the exact same thing, both sides.
The whole one?
No, just like you just did on the page.
P,
Right.
P, E, T, P, E, P, E, T, B, T, B, B,
Okay, go ahead and you may push. You may close up the book. Okay, let's go straight into spelling. This is the last part of our activity. Remember the squares we made? We're going to do the exact same thing. And let's pull out a pebble. This time we'll do yellow. You're going to listen for the t sound in these words. What letter makes the t sound?
T.
T. So you're going to be writing a T and moving this where you need to move it. Remember, you have initial, medial, and final. So look and listen. The word is sty. Echo.
Sty.
Unblend. I. Where do you put this? And what letter do you write?
T.
And what position did you hear it in? Okay, or medial in this case. Okay, pick up your pebble. Put. Echo.
Put.
Unblend.
T.
Not puh. T. What letter?
T.
And what position?
Final.
Okay, let's switch and go to the D sound. What letter says D?
D.
Okay, look and listen. Echo. Dog.
Dog.
Unblend.
D. Good.
Okay, put your pebble down. Put your pebble down.
D.
Okay. What position did you hear the D in? The D. Initial. Okay, next one and last one of these is red. Echo.
Red.
Unblend.
Red.
It's red. It's okay. What position?
Final.
And go ahead and write it.
D.
Okay. So closure could be reviewing if they get confused. B's and D's tend to be very confusing for children. So this is where you could do your donut activity that I showed you the other day, or you could just review with the students. Another way, like this. Ansley, what do you sleep in every night?
A bed.
A bed. So you would have your bar by your head. See how that makes a B? B. And then a D. Bed. Okay. So what letter would this one be? And what one would this one be? Okay. And that was our closure. We just finished lesson 2. Give me 5. I'm going to turn that off for a sec.
Where's Charlie?